अरे क्या
फंस
हुआ?
गए फंस गए राधे भैया बामन के लड़के के
अरे
फंस गए ओए
भैया शर्मा क्यों रहे हो भैया? अरे
शर्मा
अरे
रहे हो।
अरे आपका तो टाका भिड़ गया ओए।
I've never been hit on this podcast. Thanks for that. मेरा आइडिया क्या था बताइए? क्यों
क्या?
किसी को पॉडकास्ट के बदले पैसे नहीं मिले.
Yo, too real.
Hello and welcome to Has It Aged Well. That song and that dialogue was from the 2003 cult film. We'll get into it, why and how the cult of this film grew. We're talking about Tere Naam, starring Salman Khan. The Bollywood debut, Bhumika Chawla, directed by the late great Satish Kaushik. The directorial handover of this film is very interesting. We'll get into that.
Can I
But
tell that story?
yeah,
Can I
we'll
tell
come to
that
that.
story?
But to talk about Tere Naam, he's been here before. Last time he was here, we were talking about David Dhawan and Govinda. Even though it was not a David Dhawan film, we were talking about Dulhe Raja. But whenever it's time, Ashim, we've been trying to have you back on the show, by the way. Thank you for being here again.
Yes.
It's always great to have you back because मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि there is we talked about this last time also, certain type of cinema that Hindi cinema now shies away from, which you reclaim. You're like, nahi, this was a part of our history. Let's talk about it.
Yes.
So that's why I think you were the perfect choice for Tere Naam. Tell us about Tere. First of all, last time you were here, Cinema Marte Tab Tak had not come out.
Yes.
So since then, you're now a part of an award-winning Amazon web series, which you worked on, and you're working a lot of interesting things. But we all know you as the passionate lover that you are of a certain kind of cinema. Tere Naam 2003. Let's get into it, Asim.
But before that, I would just like to say how whenever anybody asks us कि तुम्हारा कोई episode है Has It Aged Well that I should see, we always our first
Same.
suggestion is Dulhe Raja with Asim Chandawar.
Thank you.
Just watch that episode because that is just one of the best, easily one of the best episodes of Has It Aged
because you
Well.
educated us about Khuni Dracula,
Yeah,
which we
yeah,
had
yeah.
no idea about.
I hate my own voice. मैं मतलब देखता हूँ, मैं skip करता हूँ, I skim through यार. मेरे को एक तो ये एपिसोड को भी प्लीज सोरा AI में डाल दो so that my double chin and all goes away. Like I look मेरे को अभी मेरे को डर लग रहा है मेरे को खुद को देख के. So please like कुछ करो इसका. We can process it through.
So Tere Naam, of course, even if someone who was not born in 2003 knows about this film, because as you said, like 20% of the internet is just Tere Naam.
That's the thing.
memes.
There's a rumor saying कि like you know, I had seen a meme where like what is the population of India?
Billions.
A billion? 2 billion?
2 billion है ना. 2 billion में से कुछ ऐसा 200 million is अजय देवगन duplicates, right? वैसे ही the zeitgeist में 20-25% is Tere Naam memes. So I'm like, oh shit, yeah.
Oh
You
yeah,
will
Tere Naam
come
memes
across-
Facebook era से है ना? I
Yeah,
think.
You
yeah,
will
yeah.
come across a Tere Naam meme every 10 memes or 5 memes, less than that. Like कुछ भी आएगा. Either there'll be a like even if you do not come across a footage meme,
Yeah.
you will come across like someone dressed as Salman.
Yeah.
You will come across a dub of it,
Yeah.
something like that.
Or
So
a
I'm
bad
like,
doppelganger
क्या-
of Salman from that film.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
it'll be वो ऐसी चीज है ना. And I had just entered FYJC back then in
Yeah.
2003. Okay,
Yeah.
this was my first year in college.
Yeah.
And I had done terribly in 10th. Okay, so मेरे को 64% मिला थे. So कहीं एडमिशन नहीं मिल रहा था. And
टेरिबल नहीं है, ठीक ठाक है.
नहीं यार, उस जमाने में भी लोग 80 ले रहे थे. तो मैं वो मतलब फिर भी पेड़े बांटे थे मेरे बाप ने. क्या बोलेगा अभी. तो what happened after that is of course like Rupa Rail and all were not taking you. Anyone is not taking you. मैं कैसे भी आया चेतना कॉलेज बैंड्रा ईस्ट में. ओके नाउ चेतना कॉलेज बैंड्रा ईस्ट इज बैंग इन द सेंटर ऑफ ऑल दीज गवर्नमेंट कॉलोनीज एंड सारे वहाँ के मतलब अभी सारे बच्चे मेरे वहाँ पे दोस्त हो गए. एंड आई एम द ऑड मैन आउट. ओके मैं आया हूँ माहिम सेंट्रल सोबो से. तो भाई मैं आई वाज इट वाज अनदर वर्ल्ड. And I'm not, they're academically very, very good.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I have seen my marks and their marks. Accounts में मैंने life में 97 देखा नहीं है. They were scoring 97 and 99 and stuff. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
this one and तभी bunk मार के ये सब देख ही रहा था मैं. मतलब डरना मरना देख रहा था, ये देख रहा था. Suddenly comes in September I think, and Tere Naam just comes out of the blue. And it was a phenomena यार. I had 2 people in my group. I still remember अखिल कोई तो था and one more guy. They next day वो चेंज करके आए बाल चेंज करके. आई हैड 2 people in my group and I told them तू वापस जा मेरे साथ आ सकता है ये फिल्म के लिए. and I couldn't believe what it was like. तभी it didn't feel like cringe even back then. Yes, it had some parts that were like whatever, but those were parts were also साउथ वाला जो डालना था उनको वही था वो, मतलब ऐसा था.
It's a remake of a Tamil film.
It's a remake of a Tamil film. They made it quite their own, right? Like वैसा ही था. And यार हिल गया था मैं, मतलब the film fail, as like we discussed, the film fails on only one, I think, part is where it was a complete Salu PR move, right? पिछले साल मतलब कुछ हुआ था, so they had to now prove that he's a nice guy, he's a nice guy. Those were एक पूरा एक era था बीच में.
And imagine they made this film to prove he's a nice guy.
There are a bunch of films that prove that he's a nice guy, which is like Jalwa आ गया, ये आ गया, Garv आ गया, where he's a law abiding.
Jalwa or Wanted?
Jalwa is Ye Hai Jalwa. Sorry, my bad. There's a film called Ye Hai Jalwa where he is like with Rishi Kapoor, he plays his dad or something. There's a bunch of films still like whatever, and then when he gets back.
Wanted onward, it's become slick. Like now, this is the slick action
but
version of Salman.
Amazing. एक तो मैं when I revisited this
naam,
film, I have watched this film twice for this podcast. Yes,
I apologize. That's on me.
मेरे को तो मजा आ गया यार, मेरे को एक तो reinforce हो गया, मैं तो और भी fan हो गया हूँ मैं.
The thing is, I think it solidified the image of Salman as Salman.
I completely, you know, when it hit me after some 20-25 minutes into the film, this is the first Radhe film, right? It has the bracelet.
Did he have the bracelet
yes,
before that?
This is the first one.
No, but in person, like in life, did he have the bracelet before that?
तभी होगा, मेरे को याद नहीं है.
मुझे भी
My
याद नहीं,
first
पहले
encounter
था
with
क्या?
Salman is 92. मैं बच्चा था, मैं 5 years old. I was at National College. मैं वहाँ पे पहली बार बास्किन रॉबिन आया था, तो तब वो 40 रुपए का था, मतलब 40 रुपए का 92 में. मतलब मेरा बाप ऐसे भी मतलब बोला तू पहले सब्ट्रैक्शन सीख ले, बाद में तेरे को देंगे ऐसा.
तो कंपैरिजन में अभी सस्ता मिल रहा है, फील लिया.
मतलब वही, तू सब्ट्रैक्शन सीख ले, then we'll feed you. I just saw him like ऐसा मारुति जिप्सी से जा रहा है ऐसा, and all three brothers are मारुति जिप्सी से जा रहे हैं ऐसा. So that should have been the first one, I think. वहीं से शुरू. They said कि भाई राधे है, आगरा है, ये पहनते हैं ये वाले.
No, I was just saying that I think that is the one genius thing that Salman did, right? Because I was also reading about him. और मैंने ना I came across this clip of him from I think Das Ka Dam or Just Dance. I'm not sure कहाँ से थी ये. Just Dance was Hrithik Roshan show, जिसमें वो एक ही सीजन आया था उसका. So Salman Khan was saying that some बच्चे आए थे और उसको बोल रहे थे कि सलमान सर आपके डांस स्टेप इतने इजी क्यों रहते. सो देन उसने बोला मैं जो स्टेप करता हूँ ये कोई भी कर सकता है. रिक्शा वाला, काम वाली, तुम्हारा बाप, तुम्हारा चाचा, कोई भी कर सकता है. ऋतिक रोशन का स्टेप कोई माइका लाल कर सकता है क्या? नहीं ना. तो किसको कौन मेरा डांस ज्यादा देखेगा?
This is actually, I think, हेलो ब्रदर के बाद इतना नाचा है वही.
Right,
मतलब भाई बहुत नाचा है.
So the two things I remember, and I was 2000, I was 15 years old, and the two things that I remember that became instantly popular was of course Salman's hairstyle and the music. Right, the music took off like nothing else.
And because वो साल is the first Indian Idol साल also, so all the songs were everybody singing that only, so हर जगह फैल गया था.
Also like so I was thinking about this. So Tere Naam, of course, we can look back and from 2024 lens, we can be like, oh, this is problematic, that is problematic, whatever. But then one of the cornerstones of the answer to the question, has it aged well, is the cultural cachet that a film holds, right? And like we mentioned, the Salman hairstyle is still hanging in barber shops across India, right? Sometimes even in the marquee, it's
Do you know the only other person in the popular ecosphere who has that hairstyle, like another person is
Abdul Kalam.
And Nick Backstreet Boy का वो Nick Carter.
Oh, Nick Carter, yeah.
उसके बाद तेरे नाम आया, उसके बाद अब्दुल कलाम आया. Like
नहीं, अब्दुल कलाम
तो
पहले.
था ही यार.
Was he? I think he might have been president when this film.
Yeah, of course.
But guys, because this is तेरे नाम and I forgot to mention this before, तो क्योंकि मैं hair style वो वाली नहीं रख पाई, इसलिए I'm wearing something that
yes,
that basically it is a message from.
I'm glad you did this because I was so I had a debate with my wife saying कि भाई क्या करना है, मतलब मैं लाऊं क्या, being human जाऊंगी. She said देख ले मतलब because अभी इतने चीजें चल रहे हैं ना उसके बारे में ट्विटर पे, I'm like देख ले keep it for fancy dress. देख ले मतलब I'm like whatever.
Because यार see now my thing was while watching the film, एक तो मैंने बहुत बचपन में देखी थी तो मुझे कुछ घंटा याद नहीं था. I just
What
knew
was the
the
effect in
beats of the
कल्याण?
film.
कल्याण में क्या हुआ उसके बाद?
क्या कल्याण
में क्या हुआ उसके बाद?
Dude, the thing is I was very small and मैं इतना कल्याण मतलब आजू बाजू I was not really
You were what, 5 in 2003?
I was 5, yeah.
हाँ, नहीं
तो
मुझे वो
इवन
याद
नहीं, जब भी बाद में टीवी वगैरह पे भी आई थी, सो द थिंग इज कि हमारे नीचे रिक्शा वाले होते थे, रिक्शा वालों का एक लाइन लगता था, उधर ही होते थे रिक्शा वाले. सो आई जस्ट रिमेंबर फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम कोई ना कोई तेरे नाम का गाना बजा रहा होता था. गणपति डीजे, गणपति कोई भी, वो हमारा मेन चौक
Yeah.
था, तो उधर आके वो नाच गाना, तो तेरे नाम का कोई ना कोई रहता ही था. और जैसे आई रिमेंबर गणपति के टाइम पे भी आई थिंक 10 या तभी व्हेन आई वाज लिटिल 11 बजे का डेडलाइन होता था, नॉट 10 PM. तो 11 बजे लास्ट गाना वुड बी सम तेरे नाम का रिमिक्स. लाइक दैट्स हाउ एवरीबडी वुड नो दिस इज अबाउट टू गेट रैप कि अभी तेरे नाम का चालू होगा, आंखें तेरी, वो कुछ
अरे वो बहुत
समथिंग.
डिफिकल्ट टू सिंग है यार वो.
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
आई रिमेंबर लाइक अमित साना वाज इन द गेम बैक इन द
Right,
गेम
right,
right,
आफ्टर
right.
सिंगिंग दैट इन
Yeah,
लाइक ऐसा
yeah.
कुछ तो
Yeah.
वो मतलब लगने लगी गाया. तो सुखविंदर सिंह हैज अ वेरी हाई
I know,
पिच,
yeah,
like
yeah,
क्या गाया है भाई.
yeah.
So,
Was this Himesh's breakout soundtrack?
This is Himesh.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Oh, shit. Dude, that guy has like भाई कोई going back
Yeah.
कोई कुछ नहीं बोल सकता है उसको. मतलब that
Agreed.
guy knows how to make a hit.
Yeah.
He knows how to the art of the hook. Song writing अलग होती है, lyricism अलग होती है भाई. प्रसून जोशी, I one of the reasons I didn't back when he was of course like him and whatever.
Yeah.
But one of the reasons I didn't like him even when he was rising कि song writing अलग होता है यार. Song people get, why do people pay like Swedish songwriters, right, to get a songwriter? ये आदमी जानता कि 3 बार मैं हुक्का बार बोलूंगा वो लोग बोलेंगे उधर भाई, तो करेंगे उधर. एंड दिस इज द साइंस ही प्लेड. लाइक मोहब्बत मिर्ची भी शायद वही है. तो वही है, तो करता है यार आदमी.
Yeah.
वही
क्योंकि
सही
कोई सिर्फ गाना लिखते लिखते नहीं सोचता है ना, लगने लगी लगने लगी लगने लगी, ये तो नहीं कर लिख सकते ना तुम.
It's like जावेद अख्तर फेमस थिंग ना कि आप कब्र पहले खोदते हैं और फिर देखते हैं मुर्दा फिट होगा कि नहीं. So like, yeah. I just want to read the IMDb synopsis of this
Oh,
film and then
okay.
we'll
Oh
go
yes,
into the...
let's go. Let's
So,
go.
Radhe, a rowdy boy, falls in love with Nirjara, a first-year college student. After initial hatred, when Nirjara reciprocates his love, a brutal attack renders him mentally unstable. That's a very bare bones plot
quite bare
of for what it is. There's a lot of moving parts in this. But famously, so Anurag Kashyap was supposed to direct
I know.
this
Yeah.
film. Would you like to tell us, Urjita,
So
why
Anurag
the movie was taken away from?
Anurag Kashyap was supposed to direct this film, but then one fine day, when Anurag Kashyap saw Salman Khan, he was like, अपने टी-शर्ट उतार, and उसने टी-शर्ट उतारी है, and then he looked at his टी-शर्ट, his bare body, bare chested body, and then he looked at his assistant and be like, and he was like, इसको बाल उगाने बोलो, because उसको बाल पे कोई उसकी छाती पे कोई
छाती पे,
बाल
हाँ,
था ही नहीं.
हाँ.
And I think because of Salman Khan we got used to seeing the bare chested
course,
men,
yeah,
right? Because
yeah,
उसके
yeah.
पहले I remember सत्या में भी गंजी में से भी बाल दिखते थे.
Even
heroes
Akshay
के.
Kumar in the 90s was a very
Yeah,
hairy chested
very
guy.
hairy, yeah.
And so Kashyap's reasoning was that an Agra college going youth will probably not shave his chest. And I always wondered, I also watched Tere Naam after decades, ke why would Anurag Kashyap be picked for it and what would it have been had he gone through that? And instantly, like first 5 minutes of the film, it's Agra college politics. And I'm like, of course, Gulal was exactly this, right?
Yeah.
So, how do you think the film would have panned out had Anurag Kashyap directed it? Is there a what if scenario?
A different section of
different-
the audience would have liked it.
Would have liked it
Yeah.
by this at this time. I don't think any of his film had released. Black Friday was in the courts and Paanch didn't release.
Paanch didn't release. It was the actual year of Black Friday, but
Yeah.
It released in like
2005, I think.
7
7
Feb
yeah.
में हुई थी. And yeah, it would have been different in a way where
Do you think we would have seen the career that his brother had?
it would have probably looked like Dave D. I don't know, man. Like it would probably look like
Yeah,
Dave D.
yeah.
Probably because that's where our has it aged well comes, right? The part where does Tere Naam lie on the spectrum of what's
Yeah.
going on and everything.
Right.
So the example of that is one of the things that when I'm not a मतलब मेरे कॉलेज जब हुई थी और मैं फेल हो गया था तो मैं मॉम को बोला था आई एम नाउ नॉट गिविंग द अक्टूबर एग्जाम, फक इट. मैं जा रहा हूँ, मुझे काम करना है, मेरे को सेट पे रहना है अभी. मतलब कहीं पे मुझे मतलब आई वांट टू बी इन द इंडस्ट्री कैसे भी करके. आई हैव अ डिस्टेंट रिलेटिव इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बट आई डिडंट वांट टू मैं जाना नहीं चाहता था. सो आई वेंट टू वन ऑफ दोस फेक इंस्टीट्यूट्स इन अंधेरी कि मैं वहाँ जाके रेलवे स्टेशन के यहाँ पे
Institute in
हाँ
quotes.
इंस्टीट्यूट डूड दैट इज अनदर फेनोमेनॉन. ओके लाइक अगर टॉक्स के लिए विस्लिंग वुड्स लाता है जॉनथन ग्लेजर ऐसा जो भी है, मतलब जो भी है जॉनथन ग्लेजर लाएगा या जो भी लाएगा या कोई लाएगा, ये लोग लाएंगे मतलब you look like a Barry John who looks like a father,
Yeah,
but I don't know. मतलब like or someone like from
his CV has Shah Rukh on his this
है,
thing. So yeah.
है.
Yeah.
I mean, ये लोग कहाँ से लाते
yeah,
हैं
yeah,
यार? Dude, I saw like this one time there was an article I read about one actor who lives in penury, right? मतलब अभी तो नहीं है. And I'm like ये लोगों को उधर acting सिखाता था. Like बाप रे. I went to one of these institutes and I went for a cinematography AD course. And of course while being on set I realized कि मेरे से तो ये नहीं होने वाला है. मेरे को बहुत गालियाँ पड़ी cinematography में. तो I said नहीं, मैं lazy हूँ.
But what was the claim to fame of the guy who was teaching you?
His name is FR Khan. I think he's still alive.
Okay.
And he's made a lot of B movies. Man.
Okay.
He's been on a lot of like famous films also. Kuli Wuli pe kaam kiya, मतलब ये किया. But he's done his most amazing film that I've seen is उसका नाम कुछ तो उसमें it's a full Anupam Kher bhi hai. But at the same time there are these bunch of the only famous person is Anupam Kher. ओके उसका नाम बोल रहा हूँ. सिविल वॉर बॉर्डर कुछ तो नाम है उसका. एनआरकी ऐसा नाम इंग्लिश में. एंड देन आई वेंट इनसाइड. आई एम लाइक ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? एंड आई सी द सिनेमेटोग्राफर एज FR Khan एंड आई एम लाइक ओह शिट, दिस इज माय फकिंग सर.
For real Khan.
या फॉर रियल खान था. अरे वहाँ पे ना मैं आई मेट ऑल आई बुरा लगता है समटाइम्स व्हेन इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट दैट आई रियलाइज कि यार आई मीन it is democratic as hell. The industry is very democratic. This is one of the, even if it's now producing shit and the stuff it's producing, काम करने वाले सेट पे भाई मतलब अलग ही सीन है. It's very democratic and stuff. And but the entry point is very difficult for anyone. Like and when the fake institute में जब आप मतलब if you are in an insurance company and you want to break in, ठीक है, तो आप स्टेशन पे देखते हो कोई बेचारा वो सिखा रहा है and he turns out to be fake, तो थोड़ा बुरा लगता है. मतलब I come from a privileged background. I have a backing. मैं गिर जाऊंगा यार, मेरे घर पे है, मतलब कुछ होगा. वो लोग कहाँ से मतलब
Exactly.
So there comes one person called like we were all तो ऐसा एक पहला दिन चल रहा था वहाँ पे. And like everybody, you know, film institute में एक बहुत बकवास exercise होता है कि what is your favorite film? Like किस वजह से तुम यहाँ पे आए हो? Everybody was going like Last Strada. ये सब
Godfather, Inception.
ये सब बोल रहे हो. One guy and he's doing very well. One guy he's doing very well right now. टकला आता है वहाँ पे ऐसा एक slanky fellow and he's from Ranchi. वो बोलता है तेरे नाम. In a crowd full of 16 in a film institute में 16 people में he says तेरे नाम. And मैं तो भी बिलीव नहीं कर पाता. बेचारे ये हंस रहे थे सारे. मैं भी थोड़ा ऐसा हो गया. No, I was not laughing obviously, but I was like, oh shit, are you serious? Like तेरे नाम से यहाँ है वो बॉम्बे, रांची से. He came to Bombay watch after तेरे नाम, and I'm like मानना पड़ेगा यार क्या what did inspired him and stuff. He said it was the description of my loserism.
Right.
Oh.
He said Radhe is essentially a loser. Yeah.
He said so it struck me like तभी वो हमें लगता है that it's causing people to harm people.
Correct.
With the movie, but intentionally, unintentionally, Satish Kaushik has made a cautionary tale.
Right.
Ultimately, why it works even today or even worked back then, because Rajneesh Ranjan is proof of that, is that it's a cautionary tale.
Yeah.
The film basically says कि तुम ऐसे टपोरीगिरी करोगे with a girl, तुम यहीं तुम्हारा हश्र होगा भाई. you will land in Agra Met Hospital, you will land like this, your girl will die. वैसा ही है. That is the main difference between that and an animal.
Yeah.
Right. And अभी जितने memes आ रहे हैं about तेरे नाम which are glorifying Radhe, they're all these kids. They're not those kids who saw it because they have got पहला entry point उनका animal.
Correct.
So they deify it. ये the way Salman is acting or the way like I told you, like there's a scene where Bhumika Chawla is terrified in the factory scene when she's kidnapped. ये वांगा रेड्डी को दे तो वो कुछ बोल देगा नहीं पटा लेगा वहाँ पे. Because she also says sorry, but she's terrified till the point that the audio mutes and she can't listen to him. She's terrified and she runs away and stuff.
She's terrified. You're talking about the scene where he kidnaps her.
her.
So she doesn't run away, no?
She runs away once because the audio literally mutes. Like,
अच्छा,
of
okay.
course, then उन्होंने वो किया
Yeah,
कि
yeah,
she melts. That's also manipulation.
Yeah.
हाँ, but then even while he was manipulating her, I remember there was this one dialogue very वो चीख रहा चिल्ला रहा and then he is also realizing what he's doing is wrong. So he also confesses कि तुम भी क्या सोच रही हो कि मेरे बारे में मैं कितना चिल्लाता हूँ.
That is not there, exactly. So that's not there in Animal or
Yeah,
whatever.
of
No,
course,
वही
yeah,
problem है. लोग वही समझते नहीं कि you go on Twitter and animal people come and
Yeah,
tell
yeah,
saying,
yeah.
अरे इसने भी किया था बाजीगर में हुआ था. I said नहीं, बाजीगर में मर जाता है. I understand this one thing. He
Yeah,
doesn't get the
yeah.
girl.
Yeah.
ना उसको बच्चा मिलता है और
Yeah.
वो
And he was
music बजता
clearly the
नहीं.
negative
हाँ,
character,
हाँ,
yeah.
हाँ, वो बजता नहीं है म्यूजिक के साथ.
एंड वो इंटेंशन समझ आता है ना फिल्म में. अभी दैट अभी इवन जब भी निर्जरा इन द ट्रेन व्हेन शी रिजेक्ट्स हिम आउटराइट कि
Oh,
तुम
shit.
मवाली हो.
Correct.
उसके बाद ही लाइक ऑफ कोर्स ही कीप्स थिंकिंग अबाउट हर बट वो उसके पीछे नहीं जाता है. डज ही हरास हर
नहीं
आफ्टर
जाता है.
दैट? नहीं जाता है. ही जस्ट कि बस आई थिंक उसके बाद सीधा हम ओमनी वाला सीक्वेंस दिखा है ना जब भी वो उसको किडनैप करता है. या दैट इज बिकॉज ही इज ओके. या
वहाँ पे एक मिसकम्युनिकेशन होता है.
Miscommunication, yeah.
She doesn't know that he's helped and whatever, but
एग्जैक्टली.
it is still वही बोल रहा हूँ the part where हर scene में even when he there are some scenes where Salman thinks I think he's performing well.
या
You clearly see him like ऐसा कुछ कर रहा है लगता है पता नहीं कुछ ऐसा मतलब trying hard
Yeah, yeah.
but that is working as someone who is यहाँ से entitled है ढीला है थोड़ा
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
जो भी है.
yeah.
So the film is ultimately a cautionary tale. नहीं तो रजनीश रंजन एसिड मार देता या ब्लेड काट पता नहीं क्या करता
Correct.
यार.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He came, he said, I'm going to make what has happened in besides the film ये is that like मेरे ज़माने में if a girl rejected you simple बात है आप घर जाते हो दारू पीते हो और
भूल जाते हो.
खत्म.
और यू
Yeah.
नेवर सी हर अगेन देन.
Correct.
या
जो वो होता है
दोस्त फोन करता है पुष्पा उसने फिनाइल पी लिया.
अभी ये लूजरिज्म ही गया है. The first thing now you see you become a person and then you got the internet right. अभी you get the internet first and then you watch all
Correct.
these
Yeah,
ideas.
yeah, yeah.
एग्जैक्टली.
तब जाके आप बनाओगे एनिमल.
हाँ.
And तब जाके like I remember when the very very gruesome murder happened in 22 the fridge murder I should mention. और उसके बाद वो फ्रेडी आ रहा है.
Right.
I remember the memes being put out like वो सही तो the lensing is completely missing right now and luckily it exists 20 years back in a film like Tere Naam.
Correct.
The lensing exists.
या
It exists. Satish Kaushik made sure कि भाई this guy appears like a psycho वो मुझे कोई मतलब खत्म है.
Right.
And everybody channels their loserism in this.
Correct.
Khatam. Like, it's a quite a great moment in film Bollywood film history because I think we were 2 years ahead of Dil Chahta and Lagan, which was like the
Correct.
culture
देवदास
marker.
also no.
Yeah.
And
3
Devdas.
years ahead of
Devdas
Devdas.
was
Devdas came out the
2002,
same year.
1 year.
1 year, yeah.
1 year. And we are 1 year and 2 years after these culture
Lagan,
markers.
Dil
You
Chahta,
couldn't
yeah.
make a film like Kaho Na Pyare again after that. Tere Naam is like the last goodbye to that.
Correct. Yeah.
It's actually a last
Very
farewell
much.
to that zone.
Exactly.
It's a great farewell. And if you look at the posters in the movie, पीछे जो आगरा में posters है, you can see the change. पीछे ना कुछ और लगा है, सुर का पोस्टर है, अभय का पोस्टर है.
Yes.
There is something else. There's a very मतलब कुछ और फिल्म्स जितने अभी चेंज का भी एक साइन है.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's actually Satish Kaushik is saying this is
transitional
the
period.
last
Yeah.
age of this kind of a tapori.
Yeah, yeah.
It is the last time you will see a tapori like this. इसके बाद ना तुम्हें ये मिलेगा ना तुम बन सकते हो ऐसे on screen like आया है of course in the form of a Kabir Singh and later but that's also a direct
Even
like, what
Wanted में he was a tapori no.
again
In a
why,
way, yeah.
like
I think Wanted is a way more slick film as compared to Tere
Yeah,
Naam.
that's
It's
true.
more.
Wanted
And
तो पूरा
Wanted
genre ही
में-
मतलब
हाँ,
क्या
it's-
ही
Wanted
it's
में
something
wait a
different.
minute, he was a cop no. I think it was like
That was the
twist.
twist, yeah.
The twist. Yeah,
Spoiler
yeah,
alert
sorry,
for
yeah.
Wanted.
वैसा
Yeah, of course. People would want a spoiler alert.
and they gave him that one level flirty vibe भी पूरा comedy zone में था
हाँ, exactly.
जो
Yeah.
वैसा
Yeah,
वो
yeah,
किया था
yeah.
वहाँ पे and
But what do you? Oh, sorry.
yeah. नहीं so this is literally the last bastion of the 90s stalkerish ragging.
I get it, yeah.
It's the last bastion. इसके बाद मतलब it was a great farewell to it. So
It's almost again, this is maybe my cinephile brain talking or whatever, but it's just like, there is the era of Kumar Sanu, Udit Narayan, Alka Yagnik that is
सारे हैं
that is
इसमें,
frozen
correct.
in
While
in
we are
time.
entering a age of like
Yeah,
युवा or
yeah,
anything.
exactly, yeah.
Next year में पूरा scenario change है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
The like you have films like Murder where infidelity is the thing, and you have Yuva, Swades aa gaya.
Yeah.
You have Chameli in the same year. Like everything changes. So literally, ये आ गया. Even the Tapori in the same year has changed, which is Munna Bhai.
Correct.
Oh,
yes.
yeah, exactly.
Same year में Tapori भी change हुआ है.
He's the
Yeah.
heart of
Even
gold.
if you're now making a Tapori now, he has to change like that.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
this was the last great proper singles, एक single screen Tapori movie of its kind in a way. Like
The Majnu movie. Which,
and they made sure
yeah.
कि that I think that was a brain fight that was probably happening on screenplay and script, which is कि भाई किधर कितना 90s रखना है. Probably that struggle was also going on. Like how do you know? I think that fight you can clearly see कि भाई let's not make him this much. Like let's not make him this much.
Did you film the film was outdated while watching?
I think screenplay wise तो हाँ of course.
Okay.
But then screenplay was very pacey. It's just that
Yeah.
the screenplay felt outdated for sure. You know, there is this thing about a film that when you watch a film, you immediately come to know कि ये कौन से year में बनी रही है. Like when you see Devdas, you know कि early 2000s में आई है. हम दिल दे चुके सनम, you know ये 90s की film है. Like even though ज़्यादा 6 साल का फर्क
Yeah,
है दोनों
yeah,
films में,
yeah.
फिर भी you can clearly see the difference, be it the visuals or like the way
Yeah.
people are talking or the way the music is also coming.
Right.
The instruments that are
for no
used.
reason Dutch angle आता है.
Yeah. तो इसमें भी
Could
तेरे
you
नाम
tell
में
तेरे नाम? If I didn't tell you it was from 2003, could you tell from which?
I would have been able to tell कि early 2000s है. I could have maybe confused it with a 90s film.
Yeah, exactly.
थोड़ा I think I could have, but then yeah, I could tell that it's a no. Definitely 2010 के पहले आई है. ये तो I could have told you.
The screenplay, I feel like again maybe because we've become used to sitting through a lot of stuff that gets pushed on streaming, which is very boring to get through. But I felt like everything was advancing the story in Tere Naam. I was like,
Yeah.
and it's 2 hours 12 minutes, which is short by Indian film standards.
It
Yeah,
is
yeah.
short and the second half just like थाप करके वो मतलब next minute मैं ऐसा गाना चल रहा है next minute में संडास से है वो वहाँ पे asylum में है.
Yeah.
क्या चल रहा है भाई, मैं रिवाइंड करके ऐसा.
And so okay, so I have a question over here.
Yeah.
Okay, मुझे पूछना था कि see, in no way when you watch the film, you don't feel like they intended to show you a love story in any way. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं उनको लव स्टोरी दिखानी थी. बट नाउ अगेन माई क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इफ दे हैड टेकन इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम क्लासिक्स लाइक रोमियो जूलियट और इवन देवदास फॉर दैट मैटर. बट देवदास में भी लव स्टोरी दिखाई थी पारो और देव की. तो लाइक you know how people say that there is like so much, the more the tragedy the more the romance. Do you think that is why इन्होंने एक भी पल दिखाया नहीं ये दोनों का रोमांस करते हुए बाहर
No,
घूमते
but I
हुए?
think it is a love story. It's एक तरफा प्यार.
अरे
It's
it
a
is the one sided lover का बाइबल है भाई.
अरे पर उन
देखो
लोगों
ये
का-
बंदे ये लड़के
But the
लोग
thing about that's a beautiful part about one sided lovers.
हाँ.
One sided lovers का beautiful part is that in there are a lot of bibles for them probably from other films.
yeah.
One sided lover में one side पे suffering होना चाहिए and that's about it. You don't take out the suffering, right?
हाँ.
वही
Yeah,
है
yeah,
ना.
yeah, yeah. You take it out on yourself.
Us.
Yeah. Don't let the other person know what you're doing to
Oh,
yourself.
dude, I completely forgot कि एक तो पेज था one sided lovers. उनका favorite film था तेरे नाम.
Because यार मुझे ना ये बात इतनी striking लगी कि literally like the scene in which Bhumika confesses to him कि you know I'm sorry and they both look at each other. So you think that अच्छा इसके आगे अभी घूमेंगे रोमांस करेंगे कुछ करेंगे ओढ़नी हो गया and उसके बाद उसका सर उसका फुट गया. My thing is कि do you think that must have been like a conscious decision from their end to not show their love story at all?
है मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. So in this was like a of course like if this was a I'm trying to think like fit an actor into the 90s for this particular thing. ये he would have got her. He would have got her and in the wrong like just make this like a सौगंध or something. I don't know यार मतलब बहुत ही
I think again
that's the fight I'm talking about. They definitely had that
Yeah.
कि भाई we are now in this age day and age where we now have to appeal to the Chetna college crowd and someone in like
Chetna
Agra or what.
college.
like Chetna
Yeah,
college में था तो
Yeah,
Chetna
yeah.
college में ये भी दोनों को पटाना है हमको and it worked. So that fight was very important. That fight happened
Yeah.
and you can see it कि ये one the syntax of the film is actually for me now I'm working with a like as I said before in the old podcast, मुझे old screenwriters की syntax और pacing बहुत अच्छी लगती है. It moves faster. It's better than watching 4 hours of Animal.
It moves faster, and also even the subplots, no, they also really add to the plot.
Oh, they
Like,
cool, right? And the best part is, the funny part is, like Urjita will get this, is कि आगरा है, everyone is UPite.
Yeah.
Everyone is Aslam वो है, गोपाल दत्त है वहाँ पे. The 2 main stars are Marathi वहाँ पे.
yeah?
सचिन केडेकर and सविता प्रभु ने. Like अरे ये घर पे कौन है? अरे यहाँ क्या हो गया?
वो मराठी में बात कर रहे हैं क्या? नहीं ना?
They're not,
They're not,
but
but
they have
yeah.
a
Might
very
as well
strong,
be.
ऐसा एक touch मार के आता है ऐसा.
Yeah.
And सचिन केडेकर
Sachin
किसी
Kedekar
एंगल से मतलब आगरे का लगता है.
has no chill in this movie. His only thing is to just point out Radhe's mistakes.
He has that any moment he ऐसा लगता है वो बोलेगा अरे तो उसके एक आवाज में वो आता है ऐसा अरे oh shit
ही आपली संस्कृती है का?
हाँ ऐसा कुछ बोल देगा मराठी में ऐसा
बोल गया नहीं पापा नहीं ये संस्कृति
It's so
नहीं है
odd.
निर्जरा है.
It is damn odd. Suddenly you are transported घर पे ये दो मराठी actors हैं.
Yeah.
You know, this is Sachin Kedekar's, by the way, Poo era. पता है ना what
What's
Poo is
Poo
like?
era?
No, I
There
don't
was a
know.
bunch of films where Sachin Kedekar was in films
हाँ.
and कुछ भी होता है तो वैसा फ्लूट बजेगा. Like अस्तित्व है. Like he just asked Abu, मेरा बच्चा है क्या? कुछ भी हो रहेगा तो ये हुआ है क्या? It's just pong era, man. I had a very bad last year, okay. तो तब मैंने बीच में मन ये करने के लिए ऐसे डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए मैंने देखा उसकी वो फिल्म यार वो कौन सी
जो Z5 पे आई थी.
हाँ
जो called Radhe only,
पगड़ी
I think.
वाली राधे.
नहीं.
Then अंतिम what?
Wasn't it called Radhe only?
अंतिम तो इसका है मुल्शी पैटर्न का कॉपी है रीमेक है. अरे किसी का भाई किसी का
किसी बात किसी
अच्छा,
यार.
that guy.
Dude,
Salman's biggest mistake right now is just like appearing everywhere. The part is
I went to see it in theater. किसी का भाई.
Why?
हाँ तो मेरे को लगा कि पहली बार मेरे को लगा सेट मैक्स का पिक्चर मैं थिएटर में देख रहा हूँ.
अरे it is the laziest film. It is the laziest. एक तो everyone is lazy. Everyone is lazy. The writing is lazy. The actors are lazy. सलमान तो मतलब sleepwalks.
Yeah.
And भाई वो क्या लाइन है मेरा मतलब दूसरी फैमिली का नाम गुंडा मैंने नहीं उसमें गुंडा है तो मैं गुंडा बने मतलब this next level stuff going on in the film, man. And proper that हिल गया था मैं. And the second like I remember the second half starts from like a slate. It is
Welcome to South India.
Welcome to South India और इडली वड़ा और सब दिखाया था भाई मतलब क्या चल रहा है. He has to follow the Shahrukh schedule, which is at least the least he has to do, which is not appear anywhere. ये शाहरुख गुल हो गया ना अभी आफ्टर जीरो. दैट वर्कड फॉर हिम लाइक मैजिक.
अभी टंकी के बाद भी गुल हो गया
वो गुल हो गया.
नहीं आएगा.
दैट्स द साउथ शेड्यूल. साउथ इंडियन एक्टर्स जस्ट डोंट appear anywhere. ना साउथ ना सोशल मीडिया पे आ रहे ना कहीं. सडनली ओनली सी देम इन थिएटर्स. तो तू रश करेगा वो करेगा. यहाँ तू अभी पूरा 3 महीना बिग बॉस पे आएगा तो कौन देख को वापस देखने जाएगा भाई. बट वही है. सो ही
बिग बॉस पे भी ही लुक्स वेरी लेजी नाउ. मतलब टायर्ड मोर देन लेजी.
एक तो मतलब
aging has caught up.
अरे यार
So what's the last
बैंड्रा पनवेल लोनावाला बैंड्रा with that traffic.
What's the last thing you saw in him in where you were like हाँ this
Bharat. I love Bharat.
Oh, that was
not
long ago.
Yeah, that's now 5
2016 17 19 okay
18.
हाँ. अच्छा, Bharat was the one where he plays multiple roles, is it?
I didn't mind it. It had some lazy parts written for it, which was basically almost Forrest Gump है ना वो.
हाँ exactly yeah.
Following a country through its year.
It's better than
Suddenly मतलब एक part.
better than Lal Singh Chaddha.
It is not bad at all. I'm not kidding. It is actually a very Manmohan Desai film. It's a very Manmohan Desai film. It's बहुत ब्रेव फिल्म भी है. मतलब इस जमाने में इंडिया पाकिस्तान बात करना बहुत मतलब काफी है. जैकी इज गुड एज सलमान्स डैड इज वेरी गुड एज सलमान्स डैड. और बहुत इमोशनल फिल्म है यार. दुकान पार्टीशन के बाद वो दुकान में है. दुकान किसको देना है वो करना है. वो इट्स अ वेरी इमोशनल कोर एक एटलीस्ट उतना एक बेसिक किया है. द म्यूजिक इज नाइस. 2 of the songs are very nice. And I like that's actually a film where this is the last film where you see chemistry between Katrina and Salman. Proper chemistry. और वो पूरे फिल्म में उसको मैडम सर ऐसा कुछ तो बोलता है. It's nice. I liked it. It's a
Yeah.
good film. बस एक दो films he's getting lazier and lazier, which I
Yeah.
find. उसी में एक scene चल रहा है, मतलब एक era चल रहा है इंडिया का, and you have like the 70s or 80s going on suddenly. उसके बाद आ गया केबल का जमाना. Like suddenly it takes these leaps and bounds and suddenly वहाँ पे और आ गया ZTV का sponsor भी आ रहा है. So suddenly the writing just goes for a toss.
Yeah.
यार क्या कर रहे हो यार? कुछ भी चल रहा है and
So that was Ali Abbas Zafar. I think Ali Abbas Zafar also did the second Tiger movie, which also I kind of liked.
second was also
Second
so
was good,
nice.
yeah.
Where India
Tiger
Pakistan come
Zinda
together
hai.
and rescue.
Yeah.
अरे वो तो मेरी दिल की बात करी हुई, because I was dating my wife. So we saw it's one of the first movies I saw with her. Time pass था यार.
I like Katrina Kaif's action sequences though.
वो सही किया था.
So
So
good,
they were
dude.
good.
Yeah.
I think Kabir Khan just lost patience with him. I think he said ना कि he would change lenses and this guy would like be अरे यार ऐसा like he would be ऐसा. तो वही है. And उसको मतलब वापस बोलना. Kabir has that like I think Kabir Khan has that chemistry with him though. He can tell him what to do.
I know, I mean, I think he knows how to eke out a performance out of him.
Yeah.
Because Bajrangi Bhaijaan,
सलमान खान के
first Tiger
fans,
film.
सलमान खान के फैंस वही तो बोलते हैं ना कि सिटी में जो उसके रहने वाले फैंस है कि सलमान भाई really kills it when he tries.
Dude, I had my best experience, one of my best cinematic experience. Like my first is Lagan. My Lagan, Independence Day, Regal में,
Oh yeah.
Will Smith वाली.
हाँ?
Will Smith वाली.
हाँ. My first movie ever is Jurassic Park. Jurassic
Mine
Park.
also. First Hollywood film.
हाँ.
I was thinking लगान Will Smith वाली कौन सी है? I was like कचरा को उसमें थप्पड़ मार रहा है क्या?
It is Lagan, Independence Day, Jurassic Park. बाद में this one, ये बजरंगी भाईजान. I watched in Chandan. My last movie was Chandan. और हम लोग एक क्वार्टर मार के गए. ठीक है, मैं दारू पी के एक क्वार्टर मार के गए हम लोग फुल. And it is wild inside. I hope I have the video somewhere. Wild. मजा आ गया भाई. First 20 minutes dialogue सुनाने नहीं दे.
But you were saying 3 films.
अच्छा
लगान हाँ.
ठीक है, चार यार.
मैं 3-4 हाँ अच्छा मैं.
Jurassic, Lagan, Independence Day and.
No, I thought Salman Khan movie you were going to mention.
The best, my most cinematic favorite cinematic experiences in general. The other ones are all Rajnikant movies, which I saw in Aurora.
Yeah.
Kala was something, man. All Aurora movies had just something. भाई मजा आता था. The women would dance, everyone. ये तो बहुत ही मजा आया था.
Yeah.
That also has dwindled now with Salman movies,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
वो
Yeah,
नहीं है.
किसी का भाई किसी की जान. Also, I think like only the opening night it was the craze like that.
Yeah,
when I
because-
went to watch it like 3 days later, it was like 40% of the theater was full. So yeah.
Okay, for
Correct.
which movie did it happen recently कि मालेगांव में किसी थिएटर में पटाखे फोड़ दिए तो
वो
थिएटर
हर
Tiger
बार
3.
होता है. So
which was
मालेगांव.
Tiger 3, yeah,
So
because
Malegaon-
Salman had to like appeal to his fans कि guys please
ये मत
तोड़फोड़
करो.
मत करो यार,
So
तोड़फोड़
मालेगांव
मत
का
करो
scene
यार.
ऐसा है कि मालेगांव is actually a more शाहरुख फैन बेस. वहाँ पे दोनों का फैन बेस है. A little more on शाहरुख. तो वहाँ पे बीच में like the first case of that happened for a very weird film for ए दिल मुश्किल. 1.5 मिनट के लिए शाहरुख आया पटाखे फोड़ दिए वहाँ पे.
But वो टाइम पर शाहरुख कर भी नहीं रहा था ना फिल्म, so
Correct,
that
so
is why
that
it was a
rarity
special
made
thing.
it a
Yeah,
little.
yeah.
वही है. Oh, that is the crazy. Malegam is the
Malegaon itself is like a cinema crazy
Bhayankar.
place.
There is a
yeah.
video hall every 30 meters, at least 50 meters, at least, आराम से.
And they have their own film industry also. There's a documentary called Superman of Malegaon जिसके ऊपर भी पिक्चर भी बन रही है आदर्श गौरव के साथ. So the documentary I think is on YouTube. So if you find it, please watch it. We have to go into a quick break. When we come back, I want to talk about Satish Kaushik's directorial filmography because I think it's a very underrated filmography.
It is, and this is probably his best film. This is probably his best film for me. According to me, it's a great leap from Badai O Badai and all these movies.
Hold on to that thought. We'll see you after a quick break. If you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with whoever you think will enjoy it. And we'll see you on the other side of this break.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcasts Network. On A Century of Stories, Kunal Vijayakar narrates the captivating space odyssey of Rakesh Sharma from 1984, a pioneering mission that laid the groundwork for India's remarkable venture into space exploration. On Has It Aged Well, myself Abbas and my co-host Urjita are joined by YouTube creator Anmol Jamwal to talk about the 2011 Shah Rukh Khan starrer Ra.One. Find out if the cutting-edge visual effects and foot-tapping music make up for the lackluster writing of the film. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word. Tell your friends and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on youtube.com/IVM Podcasts. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week: Omidyar Network India, IDFC First Bank, and ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. Thank you for making this possible.
And we're back on Has It Aged Well with Urjita and our guest Aseem. We're talking about Tere Naam from 2003. Aseem, then of course, when Anurag Kashyap was let go, Satish Kaushik was taken up as a director. Especially if you're a 90s kid, I think Satish Kaushik's filmography, like the films he directed, are very familiar. Somehow they've kind of gotten a little lost in time. He was, by the way, AD on Masoom, Shekhar Kapoor's Masoom, Mr. India.
FTI grad यार.
Then he makes रूप की रानी चोरों का राजा, प्रेम हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं, हमारा दिल आपके पास है, मुझे कुछ कहना है, बधाई हो बधाई, तेरे नाम. And then post Tere Naam, I think the most well-known film he did was Karz, which was Himesh Reshammiya's Karz.
That's him?
That's him.
The new Karz was him?
The new Karz was him. But this whole run, हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं, हमारा दिल आपके पास है, मुझे कुछ कहना है, बधाई हो बधाई, all successful films.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. मुझे कुछ कहना है, in fact, was Tushar Kapoor's...
Oh, मुझे कुछ कहना है is a full-time pass.
Yeah, it's Tushar Kapoor's first solo hit that he gave.
Yes.
Anil Kapoor was really good in Badhai Ho Badhai, where he goes, I think this is the one where he goes from fat to thin. Is that one where he had a lot of makeup on?
Yeah.
Badhai Ho, that one.
That was a bad era. Like, I don't know. I know they made I'm glad that they made money for him.
हम आपके दिल में रहते is the film, no, where Anil Kapoor's father, who's I think Anupam Kher, he pays Kajol to become his wife.
Contract
Yes,
marriage.
that one.
Yeah.
Also, Hamara Dil Aapke Paas Hai, which is again Aishwarya Rai and Anil Kapoor. So yeah. But Satish Kaushik, one of those journeyman directors. Like, you don't think of him instantly as a filmmaker.
Those were probably made because they wanted to, like, the very bad ones.
हाँ,
probably made because Bonnie Kapoor must have told him कि भाई थोड़ा कमाते थोड़ा. It's just like
Right.
just like that.
Yeah.
Let's go on autopilot and do it. Because post मुझे कुछ if you watch, they're very entertaining.
Yeah.
And मुझे कुछ में भी वो है कि दिल्ली है, not Bombay. Tapori scene same. It has a little slice of Tere Naam in it, but it doesn't. It's the modern guy. It's not.
And because तुषार कपूर को टपोरी दिखाने के लिए तुम्हें आंखों में उसके सूरमा लगाना पड़ेगा.
मारता है लेकिन तुषार कपूर का फाइट सीन है उसमें भाई.
But he still looks like the city going kid जो थोड़ा बहुत मारपीट करेगा. I think like the precursor to इमरान खान इन जाने तू या जाने ना.
मेरे पास 35 rupees की there's a duplicate earphone brand called Yeehaw. ना Onkyo ना Sony called Yeehaw. Yeehaw के earphone और गंदा सा Walkman में मुझे कुछ कहना
अरे उसके गाने क्या बैंगर
है.
So मेरे पापा के वो पुराने वाले कंप्यूटर में उसके पूरे गाने हुआ करते थे. And which is why I was watching the songs the other day, मतलब 2-3 साल पहले I rediscovered मुझे कुछ कहना है again, and I had completely forgotten about this film. I was watching the song and I was like, मुझे ये गाना क्यों पता है? ये मुझे गाना not just
Core
the
memory
song.
वाला.
Yeah, I also knew कि एक मिनट इसमें ये ना blue वाला आइसक्रीम खाते हैं. And I was like, yeah, ये blue वाला आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I didn't know that.
अरे देवर गणपति बैंगर्स मतलब मेरे को याद है कि कॉलेज में प्रोग्राम हो रहा तो ऐसे बच्चे नाच रहे हैं सब ऐसा. अरे मुझे आई हैव अ वेरी स्वीट मेमोरी. लाइक मुझे लगा कि मुझे कुछ कहना है देख के आया था एंड आई हैड नेक्स्ट डे मैं वाटर किंगडम गया था. मुझे बहुत I have good memory.
Okay, I have a song for you.
Yeah.
Okay. मैंने कोई जादू नहीं किया तू ही मेरे पीछे आए पिया वाकायची बोलायची शिकून घ्या तर. You don't know this
Oh
song?
shit, I don't know. Like I know these Marathi songs.
This is आम्ही सात पुते. वो नहीं क्या सचिन पिलगांवकर और सुप्रिया पिलगांवकर की फिल्म
है ऐसा. Oh shit.
Like this song literally they have ripped the music from this song. Like उसमें मैंने कोई जादू नहीं किया और इसमें वाकायची बोलायची शिकून घ्या तर. It was very funny. Yeah.
You want to talk about the dialogues in the film?
Yeah. Dude, in the first half, when Radhe is with his friends, that's what I was talking about, right? For me, Tere Naam is more of a friendship film than a love story. because dude
है yes
वो असलम उसका जो असलम होनी
Yeah.
है असलम उसका जो दोस्त है man I fell in love with him dude I was like ये क्या
same
The only guy who like
Same.
is the sanest person in the
Yeah.
movie.
और वो
असलम
क्या जबरदस्त है
पूरा असलम ही वॉज राइट ऑल अलॉन्ग इनिशियली जब भी वो बोलता है कि तू उसके चक्कर में लड़की के चक्कर में दोस्तों को भूल रहा है दोस्तों को मारपीट नहीं कर रहा है ये वो ऐसा वैसा दोस्तों के लिए मारपीट नहीं कर रहा है एंड देन इवन व्हेन जब भी उसके जो भाई भाभी है वो when they agree to like send him to that बाबा's आश्रम or something he was the one who was saying तुम पागल हो क्या उसको वहाँ पे क्या भेज रहे हो अगर आपको वो जोर लग रहा है तो फिर मेरे घर पे भेज दो
एक्चुअली ही सेज कि अगर डॉक्टर लाइक कि मेडिकल साइंस इसे मानता नहीं है तो आप क्यों मानते हो व्हाई यू लेटिंग हिम गो क्या कमीना है रे तू
You guys know who plays that role?
कौन है
Are you guys ready to get your mind blown? So that role is played by an actor called Sarfaraz Khan, who is the son of Kader Khan.
ये बात है ना इसलिए my favorite dialogue from the movie is the part where she's coming from the thing and like she's coming from the temple and she says मैं महंत की बेटी हूँ हम ब्राह्मण लोग हैं और मेरे
तेरे नाम you're talking about no
and she says like मैं महंत की बेटी हूँ हमारे पूर्वज यहीं पे मतलब पंडिताई करते हैं ये सब करते हैं तो सलमान खान आंसर इज द वियर्डेस्ट ये कैसा वहाँ पे आया मेरे को पता नहीं और am I reading it like hearing it wrong so he says कि मुझे अपने मतलब forefathers के बारे में पता नहीं है and he says कि मेरे परदादा अंग्रेजों के लिए हॉकी खेलते थे मेरे दादा ध्यानचंद और ज्ञानचंद के लिए खेलते थे मेरे पापा फुटबॉल खेलते खेलते उनकी थंब टूट गई तब से वो हॉकी बेचते हैं करके
और मैं
And then her retort,
हॉकी से पीटता हूँ
हॉकी से पीटते हैं करके ओ दैट इज सडनली टार्कोव्स्की हो गई ये सडनली टार्कोव्स्की वो नहीं हो गया वो कलर वो डेकालॉग वाला डायरेक्टर ऐसा हो गया
Kislovsky.
हाँ
Bhumika Chawla she's the textbook definition of your textbook definition of what a Pawam girl should be like according to your
वो
parents
बहुत
पूजा पाठ करती है झुक के बात करती है आवाज एकदम छोटा है होठ बहुत बड़े हैं just everything
a lot of women have done those roles okay they now went for like they had I think some kind of a publicly done look test I remember seeing a paper ka ad and something saying this is a girl
Yeah.
Satish Kaushik has found the girl for his next film ऐसा कुछ आया था and वो सादापन what like all these guys that you have ever heard like they proper ये हो गया था ये D-glam started from there in some way you don't even do the hair you don't do blow dry you don't let her
तेल बालों में तेल वाले आई थिंक इससे पहले तेल वाले बाल मैंने ऐश्वर्या राय के देखे थे हम दिल दे चुके सनम
तेल वाले बाल
बट मेकअप था उसमें
हाँ तेल वाले बाल एंड टॉवेल वाला बाल आल्सो लाइक इट्स समथिंग देयर
द ब्यूटी अबाउट दैट टॉवेल वाला बाल इज आल्सो कि अभी बाल धोए तो तेल नहीं होना चाहिए ना फिर भी उसकी लटों में तेल है व्हिच इज जस्ट टू प्रूव कि ये कंडीशनर यूज नहीं करती दैट आल्सो अनदर
I wouldn't have spotted.
Did you have a favorite line from the movie?
I do.
I'll tell you mine.
ये मेरा फेवरेट है हॉकी पार्ट
नहीं बट वो जो फेवरेट लाइन इज बाय असलम मोरपंख ये नोटबुक में क्यों रखा है द कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड इज लाइक शी इज लाइक एक के दो हो जाते अंडे देता होगा जरूर
he's got they've given good characters to each and every one of them the film is मैं बोल रहा ना असलम is the blueprint for Zishan Ayub in Ranjana
Yeah.
get like a character Zishan Ayub then of course blew it out of the
and also the fact that Bhumika Chawla like they knew what they were doing with Bhumika Chawla's character so much so that when she enters the stage okay अभी कोई तो चिल्लाता है अरे आ गई ये सिटी कॉलेज की जया बहादुरी I was like ये क्या crazy reference है
अभी बोर करेगी
yeah because I was thinking that was this like a reference to that film where she was a singer Abhiman yeah I was like was this a reference to that क्योंकि she also sings on stage I don't know
There might be there's also this one thing where the Bhumika Chawla and her sister go to the house and they mistake Sachin Khedkar as the Mali,
and-
which I thought was like a Golmaal thing where they go and see Bhavani watering the
The
plants.
thing
I was like,
about that
maybe.
scene is very important. The poetry वाला scene. एक तो उसका
हाँ.
memes इतना आता है, इतना funny है वो. The part where Salman is the only one clapping.
Yeah.
उसका memes, it's a great thing, right? You were saying कि
Ritvik Ghatak film playing in theater, cinema ka choda, like alone in the theater.
Rajnipuda watching his own film in the theater.
उसका इतना आता है. Okay, that and 3-4 मतलब ऐसे ही तिरनाम के memes तो
Even that the one where he goes on stage and he's like, मुझे ये कविता पसंद आती है, तो of course आपको भी पसंद आनी ही चाहिए. That उसके भी इतने memes है कि me showing my recommended film to my friends.
By the way, Asim sent me like a dozen or so Tere Naam memes, which I'll compile in a drive folder and you can find it in the description.
Wow.
So yeah, it's hilarious. But since you spoke about Ranjana, we were talking about this in the break, that you said there is also this sense of a good toxic film.
we
right?
need
Yeah.
that is a nonsense debate कि toxic male वाला आने नहीं चाहिए. The part is where क्या करना है उसको basically when you put him in a bottle, put a toxic male in a bottle, उसको ऐसा करना है ना. वो कोई करता नहीं. वांगा रेड्डी ऐसा देख रहा है उसको, मतलब
Admire कर रहा है.
एडमायर कर रहा है. तो प्रॉब्लम वो है मेरा. That nobody says कि
Admire कैसे करता है?
क्या है रे? You tell me why would anyone else want to see Ranveer's चड्डी यार? ये तो ठीक है, there's no wrong.
And
Go for his चड्डी.
so I saw this meme recently where they were saying that directors and their obsession with making their leads look like them. तो उसमें सदैव संदीप रेड्डी वांगा and Animal का रणबीर कपूर,
हाँ?
which makes so much sense.
इतने underwear, and I'm sorry to say on the podcast you can beep this land. चीजें मतलब इतनी बार जब आते हैं ना तो ऐसा थोड़ा ऐसा हाँ होता है.
Like even हाँ sorry.
the deification, the martyrization, the invincibility. अभी ये scene में, stage वाले scene में, तेरे नाम में, everybody goes.
Yeah, exactly.
He's still
He's
the
the
joke.
only one.
He's
Yeah.
still the joke. You don't
Yeah.
want to get hurt by him.
Yeah.
But you talk behind his back.
Yeah.
He's not invincible. He's not the ये. सब लोग मुझे हंसते हैं, मैं ऐसा बाल रखता हूँ. I'm the authority and not the authority. The part is where these people also. There's a very nice show called Sixer. Okay, the cricket wala show ka aaya tha on this one, I think Mini TV. That has a prototype of studs like this who end up nowhere in life. वो तेरे कॉलोनी में ना अभी भी वो टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट खेल रहा है.
Right.
Oh yeah, of course.
राइट.
Yeah.
हर कॉलोनी में एक बंदा होता है
जो बड़े
जो
होने के बाद
बड़े
भी
होके वो
बच्चों
टेनिस
की-
बॉल क्रिकेट ही खेल रहा है. अभी तक संडे वही कर रहा है. वो क्या कर रहा है पता नहीं. वो भी अरे वो कभी कभी ना वो पिरामिड स्कीम में आता है. मतलब
कॉल सेंटर में या तो
कॉल
काम
सेंटर
कर
में
रहा
जाता
है
है.
या हाँ.
थोड़ा कॉल सेंटर में जाएगा,
उधर से भी निकाला जाएगा.
भंडारा कमा मतलब सॉलिड कमा के आएगा एंड देन ही विल अगेन रेस्ट.
Yeah.
दैट स्टड इज स्टक देयर
Right.
एंड पीपल पॉइंट आउट ऐसा नहीं बनने का.
हाँ.
राधे इज दैट.
हाँ.
अल्टीमेटली
Yeah,
राधे इज
yeah,
दैट.
yeah.
योर यहाँ पे द प्रॉब्लम विद एन एनिमल इज दैट दिस गाय इज, एक तो इसको दिखाया है मतलब ही हैज फ्रेंड्स हियर. यू ऑल्सो हैव टू केयर अबाउट दैट सर्कल, राइट, दैट फर्स्ट सर्कल. If you're India's richest man, like what?
So the last 20-25 minutes of this film is like that over dukh dard, right? Like
Yeah.
there is, the music is full on, everything is sad, like they want you to cry, go home sad. Which I think now the sanitized Bollywood, we shy away from that. Like nahi, too much melodrama. Why do you think that went away? And do you think that's a Hindi film thing, that down south maybe they still do that?
As I said, ना ये literally last of its kind है.
Yeah.
इसके बाद लैंडस्केप ही चेंज हो गया. मतलब अभी ये एक बार हम लोग एक दे देते हैं सब मूवी करके. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ देयर वर एनी कॉपीज ऑफ कॉपी इन अ वे वेयर दिस लेवल ऑफ ड्रामा वाज डन अगेन. And these are all actually now, वो भी मैं I was just telling Urjita about this also, like those are the south parts of it, the movie. Those are the very south parts of the movie. Otherwise मतलब the south part being एक तो I think that subplot is that enmity अपना जो the brothel का जो है वो भी साउथ पार्ट है, ये भी साउथ पार्ट है. वो कहीं और भी झगड़ा करके आ सकता था वो, and they would strike at him. वो वहाँ पे है. And पता नहीं.
But do you think Telugu cinema or Tamil cinema still holds on to that?
They do. Tamil at
yeah,
least.
yeah,
Telugu is too masala. Tamil still holds that one middle ground, I think वैसा, and Malayalam तो French में उनका अलग ही चल.
Okay, so Asim, if you had to program a double feature with Tere Naam, what film would you choose and why?
A program, a double feature with Tere Naam from that generation. He has some very weird movies after Tere Naam.
Yeah.
मतलब वो ये शादी करके फंस गया and all this. मतलब वो जो 10 बार फिल्मी पे लगते थे वो ऐसे कुछ
वो भी रात को लगता था, ये दिन में नहीं.
हाँ
Yeah.
यार तेरे नाम के साथ क्या जाएगा. आई थिंक यू शुड वॉच तेरे नाम.
सरनेम.
हाँ
तेरे नाम के साथ क्या जाएगा, सरनेम.
Wow, Urjita. Today she dropped a new stand-up comedy clip and she's doing this.
प्लीज वॉच इट, क्योंकि जोक चले गए ना
हाँ, उधर
audio
उधर
में.
से अच्छा है.
उधर चले
जोक.
गए जोक.
What is a good feature? You should just watch Animal and Tere Naam.
हाँ, वो मैं भी सोच रहा था.
हाँ, Animal and Tere Naam back to back to know what is the difference between lensing and how you should program like your toxic male. You can do whatever you want with toxic male characters. उसको बस थोड़ा ऐसा eulogize मत करो, martyrize मत करो, deify मत करो. हो जाएगा काम. आधा काम उधर ही उसमें ही है ना. उसको हर चीज मिलना नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में कि भाई सेकंड भाभी भी वहाँ पे है. क्या करूँ मैं उसका. What the hell.
I have a weird double feature. I think you should watch Tere Naam and Hello Brother together. Because I think those are the two versions of Salman that we kind of don't see anymore.
Yes, actually, Hello Brother is the part where he starts doing
Yeah, that.
वाला era शुरू होता है.
The second half of the 90s, I think, was him just doing that.
correct.
So yeah, maybe Hello Brother and Tere Naam. Urjita,
Yeah.
do you have a double feature?
तेरे नाम के साथ I was thinking Ready because polar opposite. I was thinking Hello Brother से भी ज़्यादा polar opposite he is in Ready because he's not just making mindless jokes. He actually looks like the kind of guy you will like.
Very quickly, Asim, what do you think from Tere Naam has aged the best and what has aged
The best is that, I mean, it's amazing how the meme generation is taking this.
Yeah.
The mantle
unfortunately.
ahead.
Yeah, वैसा. But it is a very good I mean, I'm trying to I'm kind of default मेरा एक setting है to watch most of these films like a writer. And of course switch that back and whatever. But it is aged well in the toxic male canon of unintentionally. Maybe they've tried to like fix the whole कि भाई सलमान को ये करना है वो करना है and let's not. But I think in the current context of where we're heading with this genre of films is quite.
It's almost
It's
progressive.
entertaining. yeah, it's मतलब it looks ये येलो पिनो लगता है मिर्ची के सामने. मतलब वैसा क्या बोलूं मैं.
For you, Urjita, what is the best? What is the worst?
What's aged the best? I think the songs.
सॉन्ग से मेरे को याद आ गया before we hit ना मेरे को random
the choreography has aged the best.
Oh, good call.
Love the choreography, like such an easy. Sorry, you were saying.
अरे मेरे को ये random trivia याद आ गया यार. From I recently worked with Udit Narayan on an ad and his manager said the weirdest thing to us. He said he said भाई ये ना बहुत हर चीज के लिए हंसते हैं. So don't feel awkward. Like he said, he laughs at any and everything.
Yeah.
It's a nervous tick or a habit he has. So suppose you said something very serious. Like, he'll do it out of a impulsive thing. So don't get offended like he laughed at. He said, वो हर चीज पे हंसते हैं. That's why you have la 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 la. Like people are नागड़े सब और सब लोग सफर कर रहे हैं. But you have Udit Narayan laughing in the studio. That's because he is like that. Like la 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 la. Wow, I'm like, why is this song happy? Why is this? ये happy क्यों song क्यों?
Even
Mera, I forgot to mention, my favorite thing was when they give the establishing shot for the asylum. They have this random pagal saying.
Oh, dude, I forgot those. जो कहता था, you know, that asylum.
There is one guy who like, गंजो का दुनिया होना चाहिए, गंजो का शहर होना, सब गंजो होना चाहिए.
I'm hearing every. Oh, dude, I was hearing all the ambient. Okay, like क्या क्या गंजों का दुनिया होना चाहिए. ए ऊपर वाला है तू नीचे आ. वो भी कोई बोलता है. I was hearing all those things. Like the mad people were shouting. The best part is this asylum looks more sinister than the prison in Dark Knight.
Yeah.
उसको ऐसा Dark Knight में बोलता है अरे वो end of the earth में रखा है एक ऐसी जगह पर जहाँ कोई आ नहीं सकता. And then it's जोधपुर या जैसलमेर. I'm like I'm like, ये तेरे नाम का prison देखा है तूने? It is worse.
Ghastly, dude. Like, I'd never want to be. Like, that was my
Yeah.
nightmare. I was like, I
Yeah,
never want to be.
same.
Okay, Asim, finally, so on a scale of 1 to 10, if you had to give it a score on a Hazard Agewell scale, how well do you think?
6.57, 7.
7? Okay, nice. Urjita, for you? 4.5. Ooh. काफी
No, my wife said कि देख तू ना बहुत overlook कर रहा है. Like, my
no, but that's why we have you here,
yeah.
Asim.
She was like तू ना बहुत आगे की बात कर रहा है. जो इन actual intention नहीं था करके
मैंने भी बोला
yeah,
कि इतना
yeah.
नहीं सोचा रहेगा सतीश कौशिक.
Mine, I mean, again, I'm always confused with this. For my score would also be 4. But my thing is like when you ask the question, has it aged well? If it has aged well for its era, does it score high or not? So, like you said, this was the last bastion of a particular kind of cinema that we don't see anymore. So it has that vintage value. And also, by the way, when the film came out, Salman got critical acclaim. This was called his
Yeah.
best performance till date. So, and he like we mentioned, he mostly sleepwalks through most of his roles right now, as compared to that him
नाचा भी है.
नाचा है, गाया है, रोया है, हंसा है.
He's thrusted in the film after like
सब कुछ
God
किया
knows,
है.
man.
And the music is still on radio
Yeah.
stations, so that has aged well. Those are our ratings for Tere Naam. Before we wrap up, Asim, this film, the most iconic thing about this film is Radhe's hairstyle. The Tere Naam hairstyle. I was just thinking, what other iconic hairstyles come to your mind when you think of particularly Hindi films, but also like other Indian films in general. So I was thinking, of course, the Amitabh 70s hairstyle, the middle parting, of course, is one of the most iconic. The other I could think of, and this is not just because I'm bald, but Ghajni. Amir Khan's
Really,
Ghajni
yeah,
thing.
marketing
Was-
link.
was-
Yeah.
Do
Basically,
you remember
जिनका silhouette very iconic है.
Do you
जिन
know this,
characters
Urjita,
का.
when the Ghajni released,
हाँ.
I think PVR या Inox ने अपने पूरे staff को वो
टकला
मेल
किया
staff को टकला किया था वो करने के लिए. So yeah.
When I shaved after my rejection, for the
Yeah,
first time,
yeah,
मेरे
yeah.
को तभी realize हुआ कि some people are not meant to go bald. वो एक तो मेरा skull shape अलग है. I'm like,
yeah.
मैं नहीं होगा टकला.
Yeah.
Any other hairstyles that come to your mind, guys?
Or any other hairstyle. I think all the hairstyles that Rekha had in the 80s and stuff like that.
The Khoon Bhari Maang, dude. That
सारे जितने what their idea of like
modern independent
yeah.
woman.
हाँ and in general in Vogue या वहाँ पे चल रहा है like Paula Abdul वाला
Yeah.
ऐसा हो रहा था
Yeah.
वो वाला
Then
था
Tina, Anjali, both of their hairstyles in कुछ कुछ होता है. Especially
Tina का
Anjali.
क्या hairstyle था?
Tina
Anjali?
just the middle parting and लंबे बाल. straight.
oh yeah
Wasn't
is
that just
definitely-
Rani Mukherjee?
नहीं
Do that in any-
no she has that in वहाँ पे है
हाँ.
दोनों है what she
हाँ and so it's like there's a difference between अभी this is not middle parting तो काजोल रानी मुखर्जी के for the most part ऐसे है बाल but in
Okay.
कुछ कुछ होता है there is proper middle parting you can see मांग भरने के लिए भी जगह दी हुई है so it's there then I was thinking even in actresses I don't know if she was iconic for her hairstyles or not but I thought there was a scope for it Urmila Matondkar's hairstyle she experimented a
Rangila.
lot
Yeah.
with her hair
Yeah.
वो 2 चोटी बांध रही है पफ कर रही है रंगीला में क्या क्या मतलब यूजुअली लाइक ये मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बचपन में बोला था विच मेक्स सो मच सेंस दैट यू नो एन एक्ट्रेस इज रियली ब्यूटीफुल व्हेन शी लेट्स हर हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट रियली यू नो
Experiment.
एक्सपेरिमेंट विद हर हेयर
Right.
क्योंकि कुछ कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस अभी लाइक कटरीना कैफ उसके बाल बांधो नहीं अच्छी दिखती है
Hmm.
कटरीना कैफ ऑनेस्टली शी डजंट लुक गुड विद हर हेयर टाइड
मेरे
अप
को तो हर हेयर स्टाइल में अच्छी दिखती है Urjita. Like she
Sharp.
goes bald also. I'm like, wow,
Oh my
that's
god.
hot
No,
Katrina.
Katrina Kaif, you don't get to see her in different
That's true.
hairstyles.
There is
very
a
awesome
look.
in Merry Christmas right now yeah
Yeah, but Sonam Kapoor actually she looks. She is I think one of the new age name middle age India.
अरे they wouldn't do Shahrukh's Bazigar मतलब the one where he just
So
sweats a
the
lot
the
and,
the
Yeah,
forehead
yeah.
covering.
yes
Yeah.
वो मेरे लिए बहुत iconic था
Was that his actual hair though?
I think so, yeah, because that's
Sort
what he
of.
that's
और
what he
वो
carried.
करने ही नहीं दिया because you were punished in school for growing
Yeah.
even vacation में तो उतने बढ़ते भी नहीं थे because it would be hot
Yeah,
anyway. Your
yeah.
dad would then like just like
Yeah.
do his thing यार वो थोड़ा बड़ा they would let us do rounds of the school man like
वैसा पकड़ के बोलते थे ना इससे ऊपर नहीं आना
हाँ।
चाहिए हाँ।
Yeah,
PT में I'm like
Yeah.
क्या है ये टेक्स्ट बुक देखना होगा हॉलीडे होमवर्क कर रहा है ना मैं तेरा
And there's a
That was
very
there.
popular haircut which was named after the actor, which was the Sajna cut,
Oh,
which was
yeah.
essentially the forehead Beatles haircut. But yeah, if you can think of any iconic hairstyles
बाबा
that
साइकिल dude and I remember when I was like a kid
Really?
बाबा साइकिल का बहुत ये हुआ था बीच में when he came on MTV and did a full buzz and just hear it. I go.
Right.
They all were doing emulating MC Hammer basically.
Yeah.
Or Vanilla Ice.
Sanju's
Even,
mullet also.
Yeah.
Which was
Because the
pretty famous.
accessible rappers were Vanilla Ice and MC Hammer, so they went all fadak करके दो ऐसे buzz मार के वो किया था.
Tupac and Biggie both were bald, right?
Yeah, they were all bald,
Yeah.
of course. But बाबा सहगल का I remember specifically telling my dad मुझे बाबा सहगल वाला बात. And that was unfortunately named in this local saloon. It was called Baby Bob. उसका नाम प्राइस भी याद है 25 rupees Baby Bob.
Wow.
25 rupees का haircut, 40 रुपए की आइसक्रीम. कहाँ गए वो दिन? Alright, so if you can think of any iconic hairstyles from Hindi cinema that we have missed, please put them in the comments and let's have fun with it. Cool, let's wrap this up with the alternate ending segment, right? Okay, this is the alternate ending segment where we suggest another ending than the way the film actually ended, or we pitch a sequel to the movie. So, Asim, in Tere Naam, the one of the most iconic tragic endings of all time, the heroine dies, and Radhe this time for real actually becomes insane, and that's what the film ends. But let's say some streaming site comes to you and like, hey, we are releasing a remastered version of Tere Naam, with tweaking the ending, and you're supposed to write the alternate ending. How would you have liked to end Tere Naam?
Can I go first?
Yeah,
Because
sure.
I already have one. So,
Wow. Okay.
ये तो मेरे दिमाग में तभी आया okay. So मैंने जैसे कि I think पहले भी podcast पे बोला था जो एक हफ्ते या 2 हफ्ते का प्यार है मैं उसको मायने नहीं रखती. असली प्यार you know all these tragedies that they show, Romeo Juliet, then Devdas, इतने सारे Titanic, Jack and Rose,
So to be
इतने
frank,
सारे.
Devdas was childhood pyar, not.
हाँ
एक
बट
दो हफ्ते
कितना
का.
टाइम साथ रहे वो.
Okay.
I'm saying कि एक दूसरे के लिए मर जाना बहुत आसान है, तुम एक दूसरे के साथ जी क्यों पाओ? That is very difficult. So for me, like a proper love story would have been कि राधे पागल हो गया. Fine, good. I don't know if it is. I don't care if it is politically incorrect to say that. But वो राधे पागल हो गया and Bhumika Chawla, she stays with him now and she takes care of him. ये लव स्टोरी दिखाओ. दिस इज लाइक अ वे बेटर लव स्टोरी देन व्हाट दे वर शोइंग they wanted to show. I think that I feel it could have worked well. See, because even in Laila Majnu, I don't know if you have seen Laila Majnu.
I like that film.
Even in that film, it sounded very silly कि she looks at him and she's like, oh my god, ये तो इतना desperate हो गया. Desperate नहीं, वो इतना पागल भी नहीं हुआ था वो. He had just started hallucinating. So she just looks at his condition and she's like, ये तो गया. And then she kills herself. I was like, इसको प्यार थोड़ी ना बोलते हैं यार. ये क्या है बकवास.
You're like निभाओ प्यार, खाली करके मर मत जाओ.
Yeah, I'm like असली प्यार वो है जो तुम साथ में रहो, जिंदगी जियो, एक दूसरे के betterment के लिए जियो. Otherwise, what's the point? So I would that's how I would change the film.
Shit got real in Urjita's ending. For you, Asim?
I think like I would have had like a Veer Zara thing, like they do meet in the end as
Old people.
Old people.
and maybe live together in a very different, मतलब जैसा भी है अभी चला वैसा कुछ होता है. Or that part where she tells maybe Ravi Kishan lives solo and then wait for him. I would see that union coming in because last में मिलना मेरे को तो अच्छा लगता है. I've just made this up.
Yeah, sure. You want to hear my alternate ending, guys?
Of course.
Okay, so Radhe is in the asylum. Okay, he's lost all hope.
कुछ तो
This
बकचोदी
is
करेगा ना बस.
सुन ना. This is just before the ending. This is just before everybody's praying for him and everything. We cut to Radhe. Radhe is in the asylum and he's given up hope and everything. And then, if we want, we can do like 1 year later. Like now he's accepted his fate. He's like fucking यहीं मैं patient हूँ यहाँ पे. He's lost his hope. One of the attendants come and like चल तेरा time आ गया डॉक्टर के पास जाने का. Okay, you drag him. Sad music is playing. You go there. His doctor is Bhumika Chawla. Okay, and then we realize, wait, he was mad from the beginning. Okay, he had cooked up this entire story because he's in love with his doctor.
Shutter Island बना दिया ना मस्त.
This is one flew under the cuckoo's nest.
This mad person to satisfy his own, like justify his own. He zoomed back and Bhumika like, अब कैसा लग रहा है? And he's like, what's her name? Nandini.
Nirjara.
Nirjara. And then she's like, कौन है ये निर्जरा? मुझे बता, who is this Nirjara? You've been saying her name again and again. and then we zoom out and it's just like, okay, क्यों किसी को
नीर के
ये
बदले
अभी जाके
जरा नहीं.
पीके से ही जाके आते हैं, देखते हैं 3 बिल्डिंग में कौन लेता है. चलो 3 बिल्डिंग में तो सब लोग हैं वहाँ
Yeah.
पे, जाके आते हैं. चलो.
Yeah. This should like be a
So, yeah.
sketch, no? Like 3 writers, they decide to write a very shitty script, but they decided to pitch
Excuse
it
me.
to, they decide to pitch it to like producers just to see who takes an interest.
हाँ सच्ची में. Oh shit.
Cinema Marte Dum Tak season 2. I gave you an idea. Thank you, Asim. Thank you for joining us again and talking about Tere Naam. Anything you want to plug? Anything you've done recently that you would want us to watch, or anything that's coming up that you want to talk about?
कुछ नहीं यार. चल रहे. But I've done very underground things right now.
Okay, cool. I would like to pitch that if you're not following Baba Jogeshwari on social media, what are you doing with your life? Please do. यहाँ जो content मिलेगा वो आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा.
Yeah.
So please follow him on social media. And anything you want to recommend that you've seen recently that really impressed you or blew you away?
What did I see? मैं horror बहुत देखता हूँ यार. I mean, my bread and butter comes from comedy, but I watch a lot of horror, and I think like Shaitan was the last thing I really saw, and बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को.
Okay.
And in OTT मैंने क्या देखा, मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा है कुछ ऐसा.
That's okay. Shaitan works. Shaitan will be up on OTT in a few weeks, I believe. So yeah, and
I mean, one show, one I'm waiting for. Some of the stuff I saw at Mami, I really hope that comes out. Like a movie called Ghat. Ghat by one of my friends, Chhatrapal, and it's an awesome movie. It is basically the extreme, insanely nice and opposite of Bastar. It is the actual story of He's made the best movie on the what's going on in the Red Corridor.
okay, this is not a horror film.
No.
Okay, cool.
And of course, if you want to watch a really nice horror film, I think my favorite one was I'm watching something because I'm writing something in horror right now for someone, and I watched one of the best horror movies made in the last 10 years is His House on Netflix.
His House.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Is it an English film?
Yes.
Okay.
It's called Wunmi Musako from Lovecraft County. Actually, it's very nice.
Okay. Yes. Cool. We'll check that out. Ujita, where can people find you? Anything you want to plug?
You guys can watch my second YouTube video, second stand-up video, which is finally out. Yes, it's called Mani Ratnam. Yeah. MONEY, Mani Ratnam.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's about money, savings, ITR, SIPs, and everything that plagues my
It's
mind
like
these
Urjita's
days.
podcast personality and comedy personality fusing together.
Yeah, that was the first video. This one is nothing. It's anything but Bollywood. It's about money, and because people keep saying that I look like CA Rachna Ranade, so I was like, might as well.
Oh, yes, I
Yeah,
know that.
I was like, might as well make a video about money.
Why not? Monetize it.
Also because corporate gigs चाहिए, तो please, yes.
CA
watch.
Rachna Ranade को कि तुमको?
मुझे
Okay.
तो उसके पास तो बहुत है यार. But please watch it and follow me and come for my live shows. I'll be coming to Mumbai. Of course, I'm in Mumbai. Mumbai में हो रहे हैं. Then fuck, I keep forgetting. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, and Delhi. So and Bangalore, please come. Thank you.
You said Bangalore twice. It's okay. People go there twice. But all of these dates will be available on your social media, so you can check that out. And I'm here only. You can follow me on Twitter at Abbas Momin, and you can follow me on Instagram at AbbasMomin88. One last time, if you're listening to us on an audio platform, please rate and review us. If you're watching us on YouTube, share this video with anybody who's a Salman fan or a Tere Naam fan or an Animal fan. They can learn something from it. And one final time, thank you Asim, thank you Urjita. We'll see you next week with a new guest and a new movie. Till then,
Yes.
bye-bye.
IVM